How to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Chrome on your phone. Go to the search bar and search for account support google.com. Now you want to tap on the first link, that is account support. Enter the email or the phone number of the account that you want to recover. Then tap on next. Now enter anything here if you have forgotten your password, and then you want to tap on next, that is on the bottom right corner. Not necessarily the password should be correct. Then you want to tap on continue, that is again on the bottom right corner. Now tap on update password, that is on the bottom left corner. Now you want to create password, then confirm password. Scroll down and then you want to tap on save password. Tap on change password. As you do that, your Gmail account will be recovered and you will receive a message that you have successfully recovered your account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.